Stop buying a teleprompter. Listen, if you are a teacher, a presenter, online coach, or a content creator, and you are looking for a web-based teleprompter app that will help you to organize your thoughts so that you don't miss any points, this video is for you. Because in this video, I will show you 3 teleprompter web-based app that you can use to organize your thoughts. I don't mean reading word for word, just key points so that you don't miss any point. If you stay to the end, I will show you a bonus tip that will help you to build your own custom-made teleprompter so that it will suit your own personal needs. My name is Pat. If you are ready, let's dive in. The very first teleprompter we are going to use is CuePrompter. Okay, this CuePrompter is a web-based prompter. Remember, this tutorial is for web-based teleprompter. So this is very powerful because it has no account sign up required. It also supports mirror mode for hardware rigs. And again, is that it is completely free with no limits. All right. So if we go to CuePrompter now, so let us open this. We are searching using Google. So I'll click on the first one. Once you click on it, you will have this. So here is the environment where you will have to paste your script. Now you can see from here, it says type or copy and paste your script. So that's what I'm going to do. I am going to paste my script from here. This is my script. So after entering my script, I will now click on this button that says Start New Prompter. Once I click on that, this will now appear here. So immediately you click on play, it will start to play. If you are using word for word, this is what you will see. You'll be reading word from word, okay? If it is scrolling like this and you want it to stop when you are finished making a point, so that the next point will come, there's no way to control it. The only control we have here is text size, the margin. This is the margin. Then you can control the speed here, but the timing it may take you time to exactly get what you want. That was why I told you in the introduction that I am going to reveal to you towards the end a custom-made teleprompter that suits all these needs. So you will see how I did that. Okay, so this is for CuePrompter. The next one is known as Teleprompter Mirror. Look at it here. Teleprompter Mirror. This is another powerful web-based teleprompter. It has unique voice-activated auto-scrolling feature in Chrome. You remember what we said about the ability to control the speed. So this one uses voice activation, meaning that as you are reading, it will be following what you are reading. So let us check it out. So if we come to this place and enter it on Google, so we'll have this Teleprompter Mirror. We'll click on the first one and wait for it to load. Okay. Okay, here we have it. This is for Teleprompter Mirror. So and it's presented to us with a demo text. So maybe we will just use that. So if you click play, it will still play like the other one. Okay. But if you want to use a voice activation, all you will need to do is to click on this button here that has microphone. Okay. So once you click on it, it will activate the voice so that you will now have to read. If I now play it now, it will first of all ask me to allow this application to listen to my microphone. So I will click on allow. Once that is done, I will then start by saying this voice activated teleprompter listens to your voice and scroll automatically when you press play. Do you notice that whatever I'm reading is scrolling according to, and when I go off points, that is off script, talking something else, it will stop until I come back. Let me go back. It is free and works in Chrome browser in Windows. Do you notice that? So this is how Teleprompter Mirror works. Let me know in the comment box if this is what you want, or if you have any other tool that is web-based, meaning that you don't need to install anything, which is better than this. I would like to know in the comment section. For my number 3, we'll have Speakflow. Speakflow. What does Speakflow do? With Speakflow, you have clean, distraction-free layout. It also promises unlimited takes for scripts under 2 minutes on the free tier. This means that it's not free to use, okay? So, but let's look at it. So if we go to Google and search for Speakflow, we have the first one. I want to use this. So I'll click on it and wait for it to load. So once you enter Speakflow environment, this is their homepage. The next thing you will do is to scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see tools here. Under tools, you see a teleprompter. You click on it. When you click on it, it will present you with this. So once I'm here, the next thing I will do is to click on this edit button. When I click on it, it will highlight this so that I will have to edit. I will use the keyboard Control A, delete, then Control V to paste my own script. Okay. From here, I'm done editing. You can now continue with your presentation. So when I click on the edit button, I will then start. Click on start. If you like, you can use flow, full screen, or whatever you want. There are other settings here, okay? There are settings here, okay? So you can decide whether it will be flow, auto, or manual. But all these things depends on what is already built for you by Speakflow. I've reviewed 3 web applications that you can use for your teleprompter. Now, let me review the bonus I promised you about. The bonus. So the 3 that we'll review are CuePrompter, Teleprompter Mirror, and Speakflow. So the bonus is that I built a custom teleprompter app with Google Cloud. Look at it. Let me open it using Google Cloud. Here is the application. So if I open it now, it's going to load. This is it. So from here, you will have to enter your text. Yeah, that's your script. And you'll have it here. So if you play it now, it will be playing. You can control the size. You can also control the speed, make it to move faster or slower. You can also increase line spacing or decrease it. Then the margin is also working. So all these things were built for me by Cloud Code. This is the bonus I promised you about. And if you want to learn how I did this, it is very simple. All you will need to do is to watch this video popping up now, and you will see how to build everything. And you can also build your own based on what you want. Kindly subscribe in order to support me. Share your thoughts. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Remember also to share this video with your loved ones so that I will get more reach. This is a way of helping me and supporting me to grow my channel. I will see you on the next one. Bye.